Hello everyone, my name is Sarai Castillo. I'm the digital arts instructor here at the Boys and Girls Club of LA Harbor. And today I have my colleague Mario joining me. He's 6 feet literally away from me. He's going to explain the activity that we're doing today. So go ahead, Mario.
Hey guys, so I'm Staff Mario, you've probably seen from other videos. Today we're going to be doing a draw-off. I don't know if you guys seen the videos on BuzzFeed or any other version of this, but basically Sarai and I are going to spin a wheel, and whatever character that we get, we're going to draw blindly. So we're not going to use any references. So today we have our wheel, and we filled it with Animal Crossing characters, because we know that everyone's been playing Animal Crossing. If you don't, you can play Talking Camp on your phone. If you can't, you can just enjoy the memes. They're pretty good. And so today we've got our wheel, we've got some key characters, and then we included our favorite and our least favorite. So my least favorite villager is Raymond, but my most favorite villager is Punchy. What about you, Sarai?
My favorite is Hornsby, and my least favorite is Carrie.
Alright, so we're going to start spinning our wheel. Alright.
Ooh, mine has a sound.
Ooh, it's fast. And I am drawing Punchy. Oh my god.
Can you guess who I got? You're not gonna guess. It's really good.
KK.
Yeah.
Really? What? So I got Punchy. It was this close to getting Raymond, and I did not want to draw Raymond right now. Alright, so.
This is so good. I'm excited.
So, drawing Punchy. I've drawn Punchy before, so I've kind of got a little bit of a disadvantage at this one. But I kind of want to draw him in a scene. I don't know what kind of scene though. I got it. So, what about you? Do you have an idea?
No idea. I just keep thinking about like the album covers.
Yeah, you could do that. Like that whole album cover big trend that I've been seeing. If you guys aren't aware, there's a KK Slider album cover challenge where you draw a KK Slider as your favorite album cover.
So we have about like, what, 27 minutes? I know he's got like a collared shirt now. I like that they did that with the new game, with New Horizons, is they gave all the villagers like more detailed clothes instead of just like that little t-shirt that they always wear.
Yeah. Like everything in general, as far as like graphics, I feel like I'm gonna make him a little too realistic.
I haven't drawn in a while, so bear with me. Okay. This is gonna look really funny though. I'm currently just going through different like styles, so I just don't have a style defined, but I'm going for like a more like, I don't know, cutesy look, I guess.
How's your deck?
I've seen Punchy do this tons of times. So I'm drawing him eating a sandwich.
Oh, okay. I like that.
I love when they hold the sandwich. It kills me. I saw a post where someone, like, they found one of their villagers. It was like Goldie or something. And she was sleeping while holding the sandwich.
That's not far from reality. I feel like that's something you do.
So one of my favorite brushes that this thing comes with is this Hiroki Ugawa brush, this analog brush. It just has that like crayon look that I love, that I use a lot, which is like kind of like my way of just doing things really quickly. When I don't want to worry about clean up line work, I usually just use this brush. And then people are like, wow, it looks so stylized. I'm like, yes, I'm not lazy. This was deliberate.
I like my lines to be like, if I'm doing anything more graphic-y, I guess, I like them to look like, what's that one Legend of Zelda game? Hourglass?
Oh,
or Phantom?
The Toon Link era.
The Toon Link era, yeah. Like that kind of
Yeah.
line.
Yeah.
Oh
shoot, oh my gosh.
What?
We have like 10 minutes.
Oh my god, no!
I know!
All right, it's epic gamer time.
I know. Like I had had so much in my mind.
I did. Holy cow! All right.
Dang you, BuzzFeed, setting unrealistic expectations. We're gonna get so much progress done, like in this like next 10 minutes.
I know, I feel it too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I'm making him look like a shoujo. Oh boy, danger. How much time do you have? 5 minutes?
No, we still have 10.
Okay.
Well, I kind of rounded it off. So like when I said 10 minutes, it was like more like 12 or 13.
Sweating bullets.
I know. I'm still freaking out a little. Oh no. How? How? How are we gonna get this done? I'm so sorry, punchy stands.
I think I'm doing a favor to KK fans everywhere.
You know, I'm looking at this sandwich now, and I'm just realizing, like, most of the sandwiches that they eat are vegetarian sandwiches because they will literally just have.
Because that would be kind of.
Yeah, like, I saw someone talk about, they're like, why is it all pleather? And then it took them a minute, and they're like, oh wait, there's kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Shark Tales when the guy was serving sushi.
Oh. The flavor. The flavor is immaculate. I've got my punchy done. I just don't have the scene that I wanted done, but punchy looks phenomenal. Let me just say that. Punchy looks amazing. Like, I'm doing punchy stands some real justice right now. Yeah, punchy stands. They eating good tonight. Not to toot my own horn, but I'm actually really proud of this.
That's good. I'm kind of proud of. I mean, this is literally the first time I've drawn KK. I'm just gonna make her eyebrows look super snatched. Look at him. How can you not fall in love with him? I'm done. I'm putting my pen down.
All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. I kind of love yours.
Oh, yours is so like you actually colored it and everything.
I actually really love the eye detail here. You got the eyebrows and the detail on there really good.
You really be eaten.
Like I would buy this as a sticker, like,
Oh really?
in a heartbeat. Yeah.
I like this too. I could see this as a print. As like a little wall scroll or something.
This is really cute. I actually really love the detail in the eye. I did not. You really did pull through with the shoujo look. Oh my gosh, this is the flavor. The flavor is immaculate, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you watch Parks and Rec?
Yes.
Where Tom's like,
He's like, I could look at this for 5. I've been staring at this for 5 hours.
so this is our little challenge for today, or drawing challenge. Tune in next week. We might do it again. So this was really fun. So yeah, every Monday tune in for digital arts, and hopefully we'll have more stuff for you guys. Thank you, and if you want to submit your stuff, you can actually submit at the email that should be below this. So that's going to be just here, underneath, and we'll see you next week.
Bye guys.